Hi, people of YouTube. This is the cousin of the person about the name, and now I'm gonna show you a little video of Banjo-Kazooie with the bolts. Yeah, and this is a vehicle that you might all know. It's a dolphin. It's a dolphin. What would you think? It's a dolphin. Okay, first I got to carry it, and I will start it. There we go. Now, if you see, it is also a vehicle dolphin. I put it all around Banjo-Kazooie, so I made it into a giant blue brick, and then made the dolphin tail, the dolphin wings, and the floaters, and then I put the black eyes. Yeah. Okay. So this is the vehicle that I was actually customizing since the time I got this. But actually, I already got the game. Like this isn't a game. This is actually a download game that I got. No disc game, no none. Just a download game that costs a little bit too much. Not much. Only just like $9 or $14 for the Xbox Live edition. You can also get a computer, maybe. You can create your own, and you can also hack it for different skins. You can also put in new parts. I'm just trying to go ahead and do some stuff on it.
The video can only be 15 minutes long.
Okay. Okay, let's see. Say vehicle. Let's go to local positions. There we go. Dolphin. And I'm gonna make something. So you might all like. Okay, wheels. No, not yet. Body. You're wondering what the dolphin is made out of? It's made out of light cubes. First I put this. Those are where the wings go. And those are where another two wings go. Also, the wheels go here and here. So I'm going to put some here. Make sure all you make this, because this is going to be a really cool vehicle. There we go. There we go. Now I just make that. Make sure to keep do that. Okay, how far did I go? Ah, too far. Okay, let's see. This is a pretty cool vehicle, and let's do that. It's gonna be a rocket. But I have to add the balloons. Have to add the balloons so it looks like it really is flying. Okay. Flying float. Balloons. There it is. There we go. And there we go. Those are the balloons. And just in case. Wait, no. I'll put it somewhere else. I'll put them there. So I want to go ahead and keep on. I'm staying on land in a single place. I meant to not do that. Okay, let's see. Wheels. By the way, if you love Left 4 Dead 2 stuff, search Left 4 Dead 2, and also there's this thing called Life as a Zombie, which is really weird. So search it out. It's pretty cool. Okay, here we go. That's the rocket. Let's just check it out. Come on! Oh yeah, got some quick deal. Okay, power, engines. Okay, let's see. Medium. Okay. Okay. We have got the rocket now. So I will drive it and let's see how it floats. It's doing nothing. Oh my gosh! Can't believe it took me that long to do that. It doesn't happen. I think I'll just put the balloon on top. Maybe that'll work. Okay, workshop, back. Okay. Shh. Okay, there's another one. You're wondering what it looks like? It usually looks like ice cream. I love ice cream. And there we go. Let's test out the rocket. Dang it, stood up the float. I'll try adding more balloons. And then I'll add propellers too. Propellers. Okay, let's see the balloons. There we go. Yay! Yay, it floats! Finally! Now the rocket is really in good shape. It made a few light blocks. And it could take a long time to make it white, so I'll try making it white. So see you later. This will be an awesome video. I hope you rate and subscribe. And bye.